want to do the maze game. Where's the maze game? Oh my god.
This. Hang on, I'm almost there.
Oh!
What?
It's the scary one where you trick her.
No,
No, it's not.
it's
Okay.
not.
It's really fun.
We made it ourselves.
I wish the storm's passed if you guys want to come out.
No.
No.
Okay.
We're gonna sleep in here. We're gonna find a rat. And keep it.
You are a rat.
Well, then we've already
She's
got
a
one.
rotting dead rat.
Okay.
Rat doesn't make anything.
Okay, here you go.
Not really.
Here you go.
I don't.
Okay, so you just have to get to the...
Right, don't tell me the trick. How do you do
Yeah,
it? Because
I want
Oh.
Well, do I have to press a button or anything?
No, you just move it. You just don't touch the gray. Just get to the red.
Black.
Whatever.
Caroline?
It looks,
yeah,
it looks gray from over here. I just hurry up and do it.
Okay, I'll tell you the trick on the last one because it's really hard.
Booyah! And y'all are not doing that.
You know, Caroline's so bad at this.
Tell her the trick now.
Okay, fine. The trick is if you hold this button down, you can go to the red. Through the black.
You are, you're even not.
Okay? Get it?